This is super late dinner because I'm craving for this one. So whatever happens, even if it's all puddle here in our kitchen because it's raining so heavy that we have no choice but to carry Mama upstairs. My brother carry her upstairs. Then I cook. And then we will eat later. Thank you, Lord. What's my face? This. Okay. I have tremors because I'm so tired. Hi, Clotty. Hi, Clotty.